What's up, guys? Welcome back. Out here today, I'm going to try to see if I can tell which one's quieter, subsonic 9mm or subsonic 300 Blackout. I'm not real sure. I've seen a lot of videos where people meter 9mm down to 120 or below, and I've seen videos where people meter 300 Blackout in that same range. So I think they're kind of even. Of course, you're going to probably get a different tone from each one. So I thought it'd make a pretty good video just to do a little comparison between them. The host I'm going to be using is this Arrow Precision M4E1 300 Blackout build I did. This is probably my favorite 300 Blackout. I don't know, the Rattler's up there too. But as far as shootability, this is a great gun. It's just got a regular M16 bolt carrier group. It cycles perfect with subs and supers. You know, there's no adjustable gas block, you know, nothing needed. It does have a pistol length gas tube. And it's just a really nice build. I'll go over it and give it its own dedicated video one of these days. If you're interested in seeing that, let me know down in the comments, and maybe I'll move that up to get it done a little sooner. If anybody's wondering, this is just a brass catcher. Saves me from having to walk all around the yard hunting brass. 300 Blackout's way too expensive just to leave the brass laying around. I do have a reloader and all that stuff, and we'll definitely reload these back up and save a little bit of money. For the 9mm host, we'll use this MP5 clone. This is a PTR 9CT. And I've got my modular 9mm suppressor on there in the full length configuration. So I'm trying to go with my Quietest cans here. On this one, I've got a 30 caliber suppressor, and I've got two out here. I'm going to see which one I think sounds the best, and that'll be the one I run with probably. If there's even if I can even tell the difference between the two, which I highly doubt. Okay, here's 300 Blackout. I got the bag and stuff set up because I was sighting this gun in a little better. And I need to do that with the Rattler also, that's why it's out here. But this 300 Blackout's got a 9-inch barrel, so we should get a full powder burn, which should make it, this should be as quiet as we could hope for. It's got a big can on it. That's a over 8-inch can, 1.75 inches in diameter. So we should get good suppression. All right, let's see what it sounds like. It's 300 Blackout, and I'm shooting Freedom Munitions 220 grain Hush subsonic. Sounds good. All right, that sounds real good. Now I'll put a few shots on steel. Let's do the swingers. Shooting under a limb. I got a limb in my way. There we go. Few rounds left. Let's go back on the paper so you can hear the can. All right, I don't know how it sounded on video, but shooting it, it's pretty much action noise only. I mean, of course I hear what's happening when the bullet, you know, I can hear the bullet striking down range, but as far as behind the gun, I hear almost nothing but action cycling. All right, let's move on and try a 9mm. I love this little MP5 PTR. They've gotten expensive. They used to not be so bad compared to, you know, HKs and stuff. So now you're gonna pay pretty much the same as you would Century Arms. All right. Let me get a dot going. And I'm using a tri-lug mount. The ammo I'm shooting is 147 grain Super Veil Hush Puppy. Damn, it's a rough trigger coming off of that 300 Blackout. It's the 300 Blackout's got a Geisley SSAE. Oh, that's quiet. All right, in case anybody's wondering, I'm trying to sight these guns in too a little better and kill two birds with one stone here. Man, that thing's quiet. I don't know, guys. This little 9mm and this modular can is a super quiet setup. And those shots are smacking. I've got my target propped up against a fence post, which is holding another one of my steel targets. So when you're hearing that smack, that's not steel, it's hitting that fence post. All right, let's go for the swinger. And God, how quiet is that? That is quiet. So much fun. And we're out. I don't know, guys. I think this 9mm, especially on the MP5, I tried to pick my quietest setups. Like I said, on the 300 Blackout, I went with my 9-inch barrel 300 Blackout so I could get that full powder burn. And of course went with what I believe to be my quietest 30 caliber suppressor. I'll tell you what, that might make another video all on its own, seeing which one of my 30 caliber suppressors is the quietest, because I have a few that are full length silencers, 7.5 or over, that are real quiet. It'd be real hard to tell the difference. And on the 9mm, I went with the MP5 platform with a roller delay. It tends to make for a quieter host for subsonic suppressed 9mm. Man, it's hard to say. I don't know. They definitely have a different tone, and the tone with a 9mm seems more pleasant to me as a shooter. I'll have to review it in the video and see which one sounds better on the video. Like I said, shooting the 300 Blackout, all that you really hear is the action cycling and the bullet striking down range. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe the 300 Blackout in this setup's got a louder action noise than the roller delayed MP5. Well, I don't know, guys. I don't think I've answered any questions today. You guys let me know down in the comments which one you think's quieter, 300 Blackout or 9mm, or do they sound pretty much the same? Let me know what you guys think. All right, guys, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe and stick around. Catch us on the next one. Thanks for watching.